हेलो एवरीवन, आप लोग का स्वागत है एक सुंदर से स्ट्रासबर्ग सिटी में।
Most people visit France for Paris, but I chose to explore the beautiful Alsace region instead. Day 1. I arrived in Strasbourg, checked into my hostel, and spent the day exploring the city. Day 2. I took a day trip to the charming town of Aubernay before returning to Strasbourg for the night. Day 3. I traveled to Colmar, my base for the next 2 days, and visited the beautiful villages of Ribeauvillé and Riquier before returning to Colmar. Day 4. I spent the day exploring Colmar, wandering through its fairy tale streets, colorful houses, and picturesque canals. Day 5. I traveled to Mulhouse, explored the city, then continued by train to Basel, Switzerland, before taking an ice train back home to Bonn, Germany. 5 days, 6 beautiful towns, and unforgettable memories across one of France's most underrated regions.
यहाँ पे आपको जर्मन और फ्रांस के बीच का कल्चर का मिक्स दिखेगा, जहाँ पे आपको ये ऐसे क्रिस क्रॉस टाइप के दिखेंगे ना, ये ऐसे ये जर्मन बिल्डिंग्स है। तो कुछ बिल्डिंग्स आपको फ्रांस की दिखेगी, कुछ जर्मन की दिखेगी, कुछ मिक्स दिखेगी। जैसे ये जर्मन और फ्रांस का मिक्स है, ये वाला देखिए, इसके ऊपर छोटे छोटे वो है, देखिए ये जो सामने आ रहा है, ये प्रॉपर जर्मन स्टाइल बिल्डिंग है। हर बिग टाउन में या सिटी बोलो, वहाँ पे एक कैथेड्रल होता ही है, और वो गोथिक स्टाइल कैथेड्रल होता है, क्योंकि 14th और 15th में गोथिक स्टाइल बहुत फेमस था, एंड देन रेजिडेंस स्टाइल द स्क्वायर, या सो यू विल फाइंड मोस्टली देम। पानी गिर रहा है, विंटर का एक यही है ड्रॉबैक, बर्फ नहीं गिरता, पानी गिरता है भाई यहाँ पे। थोड़े से ड्रॉपलेट आ गया। और ये एक छोटू भागा। यहाँ पे अभी भी लाइक 19th 14th 15th सेंचुरी के बिल्डिंग एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि इनका कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी थी कि स्टिल सस्टेन पीपल आर लिविंग। फ्रांस की चीज़ बहुत फेमस है, स्पेन का भी है एंड इटली का भी है। मैंने फ्रांस का ट्राई नहीं किया है, इटली का ट्राई किया और स्पेन का ट्राई किया है। लेट्स सी कैसा रहता है।
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing. I already
एक मीठी एक ना वो मड़ी सी स्मेल है, बहुत प्यारी सी। बारिश का जो आता है ना, मिट्टी के स्मेल, इट्स वेरी गुड। Almost every church you will see like this only. It's mostly if you see this kind of architecture, this is totally Gothic. This arch and everything is pure Gothic. And it's marvelous. I hope it's doing the justification. very big church. Actually, this is not cathedral, it's a church, I guess, biggest church, because there are difference in cathedral and church. Church is the place where you go for worship and sit, whereas in cathedral, it's for special occasion, I guess. Someone knows much better than me, please let me know. This is what I have understood till now so far. I think as a human being, हमको हर भगवान को मानना चाहिए. It's like, I'm not saying कि just go and do the rituals or prayer, but I think we should at least respect it. Because God is one. It's just us, we have created a different meanings of God. There is a hope, but it's quite beautiful. But see, I love the doors. They make so beautiful doors and glasses, and they make in a way that every time when the sunrise and sun rays reflect to the glasses, it reflects to the entire church in different shades of color according to the glass color. That this thing I have seen in Granada, Barcelona, in their church. It was Gothic style making, and still it's going on. It was so beautiful, marvelous. But you totally, this is pure Gothic style structure. If you see this kind of arches, and this kind of work, it's Gothic. This is also a cathedral, not a church. It's also a church, but cathedral. It's beautiful, though. Not much touristic, so if you want to skip more touristic crowded area, you can come. ये है place Gutenberg, famous for something which I still don't understand. Beautiful square, that's what I can say. Yeah, here still the Christmas market exists. Maybe in evening I can come and see. लेकिन यहाँ के घर में एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है, अगर देखो, if you see this, they are small, very small windows, but beautiful. But different types of cakes, pastry. Oh wow, so different. Spaghetti cake, spaghetti pie. We'll try something. Not now because I'm already full. We'll wait some more, and then we'll try. जैसे इसके पास आते जा रहे हैं ये दूर छोटा होता जा रहा है, देख रहे हो? सी, एक पूरे फ्रेम में आ गया। सुंदर लग रहा है ना? ओह, मुझे याद दिलाना है कि मुझे पानी खरीदना है। पानी पीने के लिए मेरे पास पानी नहीं है और मैं दिन भर से ज़्यादा पानी भी नहीं पी हूँ कल से जो निकली हूँ। Which is very wrong of me. I should not do that. I think in 19th or 18th century, what they used to do, instead of making this arches, they used to paint as like a 3D form. At that time, 3D was not possible, but they used to show like this. So it shows that they didn't have money. So instead of actually making this 3D like art, so instead of that, they chose to paint the fake balcony, the fake facade. Everything is fake. They all are hand painted. So this was one of the kind thing were very famous at that time, and this is also shows like what was their position over the, at that time. वैलेंटाइन डेज गाइस पूरा उसी का है। इसमें से आपने क्या क्या खाया है? व्हाट यू हैव एट? Have you guys tried this? Let me know. See this rose. So beautiful. So beautiful. So I think it has been achieved by grafting because I have never seen a rose of these shades. Beautiful and red, of course. I love this kind of it. One thing I have understood and noticed in Italy as well as in France, they start their breakfast with sweet, like croissant, like pistachio or chocolate or any sort of or butter croissant. It's like instead of starting day with the like protein, they start their day with coffee plus croissant. And their pronunciation is totally different. Like I don't know. I think I am pronouncing correct. Croissant. Someone say croissant, someone say croissant, and I say croissant. एक फ्री टूर गाइड लेने का ना एक यही बेस्ट चीज होती है कि यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट many of the stuff which you just pass by. But unfortunately, my tour got cancelled because of the bad weather. It was raining, and one more I have at 3 o'clock. But let's see if I will able to do or not. See, this tree is giving me the Harry Potter vibe. यहाँ पर भी अगर इस घर को देखोगे तो दूर से ऐसा दिख रहा है कि उसमें इसके विंडोज में बहुत सारा काम किया गया, बट दे आर ऑल पेंटेड. So it shows that that time they also didn't have money, so they chose to paint rather than making the beautiful arches around the or decoration around the windows. You will see many of those in many places in Europe. Let's explore this. I think this is a bridge which rotates when boat passes. Let's say, is this the bridge? Yeah, this bridge rotates when boat pass by. I think boating is not happening right now. See, that we do. Very empty. See, they all are 16th century building. Here it's written 16th century. It's built up in 1637. And I think here every building is of similar age only. Mostly. These all are 16th centuries. And still they are standing, right? So see, the architecture who were building that time was so durable they were making that still the people are using right now without any harm or thinking of any possible damages. And see, I was telling now कि जाइन को दिखता है ग्रिल टाइप का, वहाँ पे लॉक लगा देता है. See, यहाँ पर भी लॉक, फुल लॉक्स. मैं जनरली पहले दुकान जो मिलती है वहाँ से बाय नहीं करती. जैसे मैं कोशिश करती हूँ जहाँ की चीज़ें वहाँ से कुछ लेके जाऊँ, बट मैं ऑलवेज 2 से 3 प्लेस देखती हूँ खरीदने के पहले. बिकॉज इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन द प्लेस ऑल्सो कि कहाँ से ले रहे हो. कहीं जाके एकदम मेन एरिया से ले रहे हो तो वो महंगा ही मिलेगा. सी दिस बिल्डिंग इज लुक लाइक अ स्टोरी, डिफरेंट स्टोरी बिल्डिंग. सी राइट. And this one is also beautiful. ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, I don't know. There are people. They're learning how to swim, I guess. Let's see. तो खड़ा हो जा रहा है, यानी इतना पानी है नहीं. That was nice way of going to swim or getting a swim lessons. You know, you will be not drawn because it's not that big. They can swim. चालक से वो पार कर पाया था इन टेबल टू. ताकि दवाई कर सकता है करना